Recording.
Hey, hello y'all. Picking up a little late today. Turned the camera on and a lady came on and told me there was no SD card. Didn't make a lot of sense to me, so popped the SD card out, put it back in, rebooted. And guess what? Now we have camera. Sees the SD card. So, got lucky. I was going to pull off and do a walk around of this bike. And I think I'm going to a little bit later on in the video. I can tell you it smells like fresh paint though when I turn the bike off, standing next to it in the sunlight. So the paint is curing still. I'm not sure what's down that road. There's always a car parked out there. And all this debris in the road, I think they got some rain recently. It's been raining hard off and on in the mountains this last week. Thank goodness we needed the rain. Not only to get the water table back up, the mountains were looking pretty bad. Gravel. We do not like gravel and sand. I did not want to throw $1,000 at this bike. It was supposed to rain all day today. Last night the forecast changed. And when I got home, the sun was shining like it is now. And I decided maybe I need to go for a ride. So here I am with you. in a steel building, it looks like. There's rolls of fiber optic cable down there. Nice. Technology's coming out here. Those people have too many lily pads in their pond. Too many kind of clog it up. When I lived in Florida, it seemed like the lily pad just kind of, between the lily pads and the water hyacinths, they would just clog up a lake. Somebody did a lot of burnouts on this road. Alright, y'all want to stop at this church and check out the bike? Feels like it did. If you don't, go ahead and just log off. Kill the video now. It's up to you. I'm pretty easygoing. So here we go. Let's look at the left side. The left side always looked good. You can't really see the new carbon fiber belly pan down at the bottom. My wife gave me permission to put black rear sets on here. I don't know if I'm gonna do that after 18 years, but it is an idea. She watched my video that I did with the bike in the garage, and she saw the black brake lever from the 1198, and she said that my rear sets needed to be black to kind of match it. She's probably right. She's always right. On this side it looks good.